welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time. I feel like an asshole because I always do this. So it's been like 3 weeks since I uploaded a video, which sucks. And I wanted to do videos. I'm not trying to make excuses. I tried to film 2 different videos and they both turned out like crap. So I scrapped those. I'm going to try again, probably actually today, to film those because I have the whole day and it's early. And then another one I started filming and okay, so last weekend I went to Okinawa, as I'm sure a couple of you know, and I had a week of time to make my prop, and I went as Marceline from Adventure Time, and I tried to make the axe base and I made it, but as soon as I walked in the door at Okinawa it broke. So we're not going to put that up because whatever I did didn't work. So there's a whole nother video and like 4 days of my life just gone. So today we are back with an unboxing video, which I haven't done one in probably at least a year and a half, if not 2 years. I think the last one I did was MissE, and I canceled my subscription back when I was living in my apartment, so like 2 years ago. There is a channel here on YouTube called Logan Party of 4. I watch her videos all the time. She's a mom. She does a lot of like mommy vlogs. She just put up a back to school video the other day of all the stuff that her son needed to go back to school because they live in Arizona and they go back on August 1st, which is so early, at least for my school experience. Like, we've always gone back either right before or right after Labor Day. It is what it is. But I finally got a little package in the mail, and I got this on Wednesday. I've been meaning to film this for like 3 days, but it's Prime Week. You guys have Amazon Prime Day, but at actual Amazon facilities it's like a whole week, so I've been doing crazy hours, but I'm finally getting a chance to sit down and open this. So I'm going to take the card off. Oh, I broke the sticker. Oh no. I ripped his little ear off. Card first. I see a cactus. That's cute. Why can't I open anything today? Thank you so much for entering my giveaway. I appreciate your support so much. You have no idea. Plus, I love your channel. Oh, thanks. Love, Tiff, Logan Party of 4. Also, keep an eye out for my next giveaway. Oh, awesome. Okay, so I guess she's doing another one sort of soon. So, this is the card. Super cute. Thank you, Tiffany. That was super sweet of you. I'm actually gonna, I was just looking at my little corkboard over here and that's completely empty. So this will be my first thing up there. And let's get right in to the box. What's in the box? Now, if I remember correctly, she said this was a second box that she had received from the same subscription thing. I watched the video that she unboxed, but honestly it was a while ago, so I don't remember what's in it. So this will be an experience for both of us. She's good at wrapping gifts, that's for sure. She put another little fox that I didn't ruin on it. Curated by InStyle, award-worthy beauty, available at Walmart. And if any of you know me, I live and die by Walmart. I'm there like almost every other day. I was literally there yesterday. Probably have to go back tonight because I need other things. So this is a lot of like essentials, toiletry type things, which is always awesome. I can always use things like that. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is the Olay Regenerist Whip. It's a trial size. It says powerful wrinkle results without heaviness, active moisturizer, which is awesome because I always use skincare stuff. I actually am so sad I am running out of all of my skincare stuff, so I'll actually be able to use this pretty soon. And I'm hoping to actually do a skincare video soon, at least for what I use or have been using lately. Amino Peptide Complex 2 to regenerate surface cells. Cool. What's in this? Oil-free, non-greasy, will not clog pores, which is good because I have been breaking out lately for some reason. I don't normally break out real bad, but like, I don't even know if you can see it from here, but I know you can see this one because I can see it. But there's like a few spots that just came up and it's just been bad. So the next thing we have is the Micro Scrubbing Cleansing Infusion by Olay, and this is, oh, it's a body wash. Awesome. Crushed ginger. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I was like, oh, I need to get body wash, and guess what I walked out of there without? Oh, that smells really good too. It's crushed ginger scent. It smells really good. I'm gonna use that in the shower later today. Go with this one. This one looks fun. Pantene Foam Conditioner. Oh, what is that? Foam conditioner. Shake well, apply palm-sized amount of air-light foam to wet hair after shampooing, rinse off. Oh, that's cool. So it's just like a regular conditioner. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that happened. They have foam conditioners, so that's awesome. I'm gonna use this, actually, I'm gonna have to shower later. I'm hoping to make another video after this, hopefully. We'll see how it goes. But my hair since last weekend, because I tried to do Marceline and I used the spray-in color and hair chalk to make my hair darker, my hair is not happy with me at all. Like, the first time I washed my hair out with dish soap, which definitely dried it out, which is not good. You probably shouldn't do that, especially if you have bleached hair like I do. And then after that, I washed it and it still wasn't happy. It's still really dry. I like didn't brush through it. I just put it up in a bun like I have now while it was wet and left it there for a couple days because I was working and just, you know, being generally disgusting as I am. It got all matted, so I had to like brush it out and then rewash it, and I left conditioner in it for a little bit, but I haven't been putting my leave-in treatments in, which is also bad. I'm being really terrible to my hair right now, so I'm hoping this will help fix it. This seems really cool. I'm excited about this. I didn't know you could have a foam conditioner that wasn't like the dry shampoos, dry conditioner or whatever. Like those I know foam, but I didn't realize you could use it like as a regular conditioner, so that's cool. Next up is some Crest 3D White toothpaste, whitening therapy, enamel care, which is always good. I have sensitive teeth, so enamel care is always helpful. And I could always use extra toothpaste. We just bought an extra tube, but oh, you know what? I just got so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to Japan, actually. I'm going to Okinawa in, I'll tell you how many days. Give me a sec. Oh my god. It's so soon. I'm going to Okinawa in 66 days. That's it. 66 days. That's crazy. It's 2 months away. So excited. So this next thing that I have to show you and the toothpaste would be amazing to just bring with me because this is small enough that I can put it in my carry-on and use it on the plane because it's like a 22-hour flight with like a 4-hour layover. That's awesome. Okay, I'm excited. This is so exciting. Okay, so the next thing that I was telling you about that I can bring with me on the plane, which is amazing because normally I can't bring it on the plane with me, which is a little sad. But in the box there came a secret clinical strength soft solid light and fresh deodorant. I mean, I normally bring, I think regular, no, are they? I don't know. I don't have a regular size deodorant down here anywhere. But I'm pretty sure most of them are too big to bring on a plane. I think they're like 4 ounces or something. This is only a ½ ounce, which is awesome. So I can use this probably the entire time I'm in Japan. Oh my gosh, no clue. Oh, it smells good. I never realized how good their like light and fresh like original scent thing is. Like I always expected it to be like unscented basically, but it smells really good. And it's that weird, oh, that's cool. I haven't had one of these in a long time where they have like the holes in the top. It just pushes the deodorant through. Can you see that? Where it just like goes through the holes in the top there. Awesome. I am so pumped. You know you're an adult when you get super excited about, you know, travel size deodorant and toothpaste, but that's amazing because now I don't have to buy them and they are both things that I need. So I'm extra excited now. Oh, there was a card in here the whole time. Whoops. The last thing in here is the Found brand Miracle Ingredients from around the world brightening coconut sheet mask. Brightens uneven skin tone for healthy looking radiance. 94% natural. Well, that's cool. The coconut is known for multi-purpose use. Cool. So there's a sheet mask. Okay. So it's a brightening sheet mask that hydrates while improving uneven skin tone and dullness, which is awesome because that literally describes me. I'm dry, uneven, and dull. I wonder if I should save this for the plane because being on planes like dries me out like crazy, and since it's gonna be like a full day on an airplane, I'm thinking I should probably bring this with me. I've used the Found brand masks before, which are all very cool. I've only used a couple, like the aloe one, I can't remember any of them. I can't remember any more of them off the top of my head, but I've used them before. They're actually very good. A couple masks that are similar to this have broken me out and like really dried my skin out, but I think I was using the wrong ones, and also they weren't the same brand. So there's probably a bunch of random crap in there. This is a 94% natural one, so I don't see why this wouldn't be a good thing. And then there's the card in here that just says that it came with the foam conditioner, the sheet mask, the facial whip, the deodorant, toothpaste, and the body wash. But that is all for this unboxing video. Thank you so much to Tiffany for choosing me in your giveaway. I so appreciate it, and I love your channel, so thank you so much for the opportunity to make my own video. This is all really awesome, super useful stuff, and I always appreciate stuff like that. Like, I like giveaways that give away like fun, exciting things, but like useful things will always be better in my book because I'll use them. Like, a lot of the times there are giveaways and I'm just like, who really needs those things? But like, this is all stuff that I can really use, and a few of the things that I can actually bring on my trip with me in 66 days. Holy crap, can't believe it's coming up so fast. I'm doing a bunch of vlog videos for that coming up soon, especially with like packing and the makeup that I'm bringing with me, which will be interesting because it's still going to be pretty hot when I go out there, so we'll see what I actually end up bringing. So yeah, I have a bunch of those things coming up. I have to start prepping for Halloween videos soon because it's already July and I haven't done a single one. Like, I haven't even been keeping videos up on my actual channel, like for regular videos, so I need to get my ass in gear because it's coming up quick. Like, 66 days until I leave for Japan, which is September 24th. Means there's like 75 days until October 1st, which is nuts to me. Like, how is this year already almost over? Please tell me, because I don't know. That's the end of this video. I got off on a tangent, but keep an eye out for my upcoming videos for Japan, and I swear to God, if I don't upload a video next week and the week after and like every week for the rest of this year, I don't know what I'll do, but I'll do something. Put in the comments down below what you want me to do if I can't keep up with these videos. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. All of my social media is linked down below if you'd like to find me in any of those places. Subscribe if you feel so inclined to do so, and hit the bell notification button to get notified when I upload. Which is pretty much at random right now, but I'm trying. I swear to God, I'm trying. I'm sorry. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Appreciate your if I could read, I could tell you what it says.